critical role of HMLA-367 helicopters in Ukraine mission. The raging conflict in Ukraine has brought chaos and suffering to the local population. In an effort to support stability and security in the region, the HMLA-367 helicopter has played a pivotal role. Known for its high maneuverability, the HMLA-367 helicopter is capable of operating in a variety of difficult terrain conditions, including mountains and urban areas in Ukraine. This maneuverability allows it to provide much-needed support to ground and air forces in their operations. The HMLA-367 helicopter is equipped with advanced weapon systems, including machine guns and missiles. Adequately armed, it can help protect ground troops, target enemy positions, and provide effective air support in missions in Ukraine. In addition, the reliability and durability of the HMLA-367 helicopter is also an important factor in long-term military operations in Ukraine. In a harsh and often inhospitable environment, the helicopter's reliability ensures that United States forces can rely on it to provide consistent support to ground forces and carry out search and rescue missions when necessary. Although the challenges faced in Ukraine are great, the use of the HMLA-367 helicopter has helped strengthen the United States' efforts to achieve long-term peace and stability in the region. By using this advanced military technology, the United States hopes to play an important role in bringing security to the Ukrainian population affected by the conflict.